Hello fellow YouTubers, welcome back to the channel. What do we have here? I picked this up off of Facebook Marketplace. It was in rough condition. I had to wash it, had to clean it, and I had to fix the seat and do some mending on it. And when I mounted it, I made my own U-bolts and a thread rod. Temporary for now, just washers, but I have to put a channel across here for them to stabilize better. It does take lights, but I'm not using them. I took the light bulbs out and the wiring harness out. And I did purchase some foot supports here, because when somebody sits on it, their feet are dangling. I need to put something there so they won't have their feet hang. And prior to that, I hooked this chair up to the four-wheeler. I made a bracket on the back of that. You see the pictures of that. And it was pretty easy to get it off because my MIG welder wire, it's about 3 or 4 years old, and it's getting oxidized, and it didn't weld too well. So I took that seat off, I got pictures of it, and I got this. Pretty cheap. So it's an addition to the four-wheeler. Thing works great. I've been going down the old trail with it twice this year. I think maybe 3 times, I'm not sure, but drives like a dream. And Sarah got into it, and she couldn't fit. She's kind of a little husky on the side, and she kept falling forward. Because the way this thing sits, it's on an incline. It's falling forward. So, you know. So I hooked up the wagon, put her in this, and she has a great old time in that. But I thought I'd show you this, what I purchased, and another addition to the four-wheeler. I like it, starting to come around. To make a short video, that's about it for that. Ciao.